That's Chris Hansen. It's 11:20, and this thing has got so many. It's just extreme psychotronics in the back of my brain. It feels like my brain is boiling. That's what it feels like right now. I feel popping and like somebody popping bubble wrap or bubbles in my head. My extremities right now, my knees, they're tightening up. I don't know if you can see it. I got no way of flipping the screen around on my camcorder here. It's causing neurological shaking again. And there's government microwaves, voice to skull associated with it again right now. They started doing a bunch of triggers and stuff when I was going to play this game on my phone, and I got pissed. I just threw my phone in the trash. I got the trash can right here, right beside the chair. I just threw it in the garbage, and they just keep entraining me. They're putting these psychotronics in my brain right now that I decided to dig it back out and make a record. They're not stopping with their torture.